you miss me too, but I'ma tell you how much I miss you on this song, though.
I miss ya, I would never diss ya. I've been going for a minute, baby, I just wanna kiss ya. All in your rear, stroking deeper, yeah, I feel ya. If a nigga try me by ya, I just might kill him. Ballin' on these niggas, my we loud, I can hear them. These pussy niggas talking crazy, but look, I don't feel them. Yeah, you my main bitch, fuck what they hollin' about. Yellow paw, already know that you a ride or die. Get that licking on your neck, that pussy get to talking to me. And yeah, I know I did that, the way that she come walking for me. Ballin' on that nigga, my initial MJ, but not Jordan. Every time I fuck, I leave her coming, but she shot you nigga running. You know my click coming, and you know we got the timings, but look, poppin' ain't no diamond. This red beam on this 40, aiming at your stomach. Your bitch be puntin', but when we fucking, she be running. I'm giving her inches while I'm pulling on her inches. You already know that be yourself, give you the business.
I keep straight business, boy. She like to go by Slim, man, but girl, you drive me crazy tonight. She feel me? She already know that. Late night reminiscing. You got me thinking about you, about you. Hey, late night reminiscing. You got me thinking about you, about bad. Late night reminiscing. You got me thinking about you, about you. Yeah, late night reminiscing. You got me thinking about you, about you.
All I really wanna do is spoil ya. Baby girl, love part, really adore ya. You my bad bitch, I gotta have me a bad bitch. Cause the nigga, yeah, I got bands, bitch. And you already know I do my thing with my pants sagging. Cause I got this 40 in my pants. I ain't cold that black, but I just might do it then. Lil' Paul doing his thing, and you know he got them bands on that man. You already know I'm finna blow. My bitch on my side, and she ready to go. Got this 9 on me, if you try me, boy, I'm finna burn your ass like a toaster. Please don't do it. Hold up, Lil' Paul with the ruler hoop. Yeah, your bitch around me like a hula hoop. Hold up, my niggas, yeah, they down with it. Hit your ass with that thing like Scottie Pippen.
Hey, you feel me, man? Girl, I want you to open your eyes, man. You don't gotta play hard to get this. I know you be loving it. This ain't Mickey D's, but you can still have it the way you want, though. You just gotta know what to say.